have I been scammed? Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now I know it has been a very long time since I've filmed, but yeah, we are back and it is 2022, so I'm going to be back with the content hopefully every week. Now to start off this year, I'm so excited to be doing this video. It is another hair video which you know that I love doing. Today I'm going to be doing a review and a tutorial of the new ZEE ELLE ponytail. So ZEE ELLE is a brand that I've seen on Instagram known for their amazing wigs, and now they are bringing out a ponytail for all us pony lovers. So I was really excited when they sent me their pony to try. I'll link their page, their Instagram page below, so you can check it out as well. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so to start, when I went to the shop to pick up my package, it came in like a normal delivery bag, and it came in this little tin. It's not even a tin, well it's like a little tub. Now obviously before I opened the bag, I couldn't see this, and I was kind of like, what the hell is in here? Like, is this the right thing? And I didn't think that all the hair would actually fit in here. Like before I opened it, I was like, have I been scammed? Like, is there gonna be like a thin little plait inside this packaging? But yeah, once I opened up the bag and I saw the packaging, it's actually really cute, to be honest. Now let me show you the actual pony, because look how big and full that is. You wouldn't think that all that hair would even fit in this tiny little box. I thought, oh, maybe it's going to be like a shorter pony, but it's actually really long. The one thing that really shocked me when I got this, again to do with like me opening it in the packaging, was how light this ponytail is. For all of this hair that you've got here, I was just like, is there actually anything in this box? The weight of it is so light, and that was one of the things that I immediately loved about this, because it still looks so thick, but it's so lightweight. Like when I compare it to the other ponytails that I've got from Lulabelle's, the weight of them compared to this one, they're like 2-3 times as heavy, but they still look sort of the same in sort of the thickness. Because after a while, when you've got this sort of like on top of your head, when it's so heavy, it literally just weighs your head down after a long time. That is probably my favourite part about this ponytail, just how light it is. So next, looking at the texture, this is obviously like a nice curly style pony. It has got some layers, which is really nice. The actual hair itself, I think this is synthetic hair, just because it feels like synthetic hair. I can run my fingers through it and it's not like tangly, and yeah, it feels like normal hair anyway, so definitely like the texture. The colour of this one, I got it in the shade, I think it was like soft black. I recently dyed my hair, well maybe like a few months ago, so I dyed it soft black, which is more sort of similar to my natural hair colour anyway, just because before I had it a bit lighter and it started going a bit gingery. But no, I like the colour of this. I think compared to the online images of all the different colours, I think that it came out basically what I thought it would be like. If anything, it is a little bit shinier than I thought. Colour-wise, really good. I definitely like to try one in maybe like a lighter shade of brown, just because, yeah, I like to switch up with different colours. Okay, in terms of like the fallout of the hair, like you see from me brushing through it with my fingers, there's hardly anything coming out. Like I'll just go through it with a brush as well. But literally, yeah, it's really weird, like no hair has seemed to fall out, like maybe like the tiniest bit, which is good, because I feel like I want to keep it nice and thick, and because it's so lightweight anyway, I don't really want to take any of the hair off when I style it. So definitely good for fallout at the moment. Obviously it's a brand new ponytail, so I guess over time it will probably come out a little bit naturally, but so far looking good. Now actually putting the ponytail on, if you can see here, there's like the little clip which you usually get with these sort of ponytails, but then the difference with this one is it's sort of like a net with like a drawstring. So I assume you sort of put your bun in the middle and then sort of tighten this up, rather than like, for example, the Lulabelle's one, they have the Velcro. Hopefully we'll be able to make it work. I guess this is probably good because you don't get the Velcro stuck to your hair. and I guess you can sort of fit this to any sort of size bun. The one thing that they didn't have was any instructions that came with like the box or inside or anything of how to actually put it on. I guess they'll probably include that on their website at some point. Yeah, that was one thing that obviously we're just going to give it a go and see how we can put it on. But one thing that did actually come on the box, which I absolutely loved again, was a full-on like detailed step-by-step of how to wash the pony. Okay, so I can confirm this is synthetic hair. It says caring for your synthetic hairpiece is easy once you know how. And yeah, they give you a step-by-step on the back. And yeah, obviously, like I said, this is like my first try of the pony. Will it last? Hopefully it does, especially with like the care instructions that they've given. So overall, this, I'm hoping, seems very good. And yeah, let's give it a go. Alright, so we have an acorn on our head. I scraped up my hair. If you're interested in knowing exactly how I get it up like this, then go and check out one of my other videos. I'll link it up here somewhere. Now, for the actual ponytail part, obviously there are no instructions for this that I have, so we're just going to go for it. So I'm going to literally, actually I don't know. What do I do first? I'm going to try and grip. Oh, actually, okay, so I've just actually noticed there are two grips. There's one at the top here, and there's one at the bottom, where the little toggle thing is. Let's just try. Okay, so I've gripped the front bit in as normal, and then with the back, we're going to try and grip the back in as well. And then I'm going to take this little toggle piece. Oh, okay. Okay, so I kind of overstretched the toggle a little bit, but to be honest, I feel like I would have done this anyway. What I've done now is I've just snipped like the end bit off. It was just quite long, and I was just thinking, where am I even going to tuck this away? So I've just snipped the ends off, but it's still got like the little knot in. Let's try again. So I'm going to put the back in, and then I'm going to try and tighten this. Okay, hopefully, I don't know if you can see at the back, I've just sort of tightened it, and I'm just gonna, I don't even know, just gonna tuck that in. Okay, alright, so we've got it in. It is feeling secure, and to be honest, because it's so light, I feel like I didn't even need to tighten the back that hard, because yeah, this is literally not coming off, and it is so light anyway. So yes, first impression, very good. Easy to put on now that I kind of figured out how to do it. Now, you know me, I can't just leave it like this. Obviously it looks really cute, but you know how I am, and I have to be a bit extra and perfect with everything. So we're going to do a little bit of styling, I think. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use like a really thin bit of the strand, and I'm going to wrap it round, and then I'm going to just pin that. I think the good thing with this pony is, unless you're obviously wrapping a bit of hair around like I am, you don't even need any grips or anything, because I feel like it's so secure anyway, you don't need the extra pins to keep it in. Okay, yeah, so I definitely like to do the little wraparound bit, just my own preference, but it was super easy to do anyway. Now let's give her a little bit of a brush. I am definitely loving this, and look how thick it is as well, but it still looks really natural. Obviously you could style this as a low ponytail, like mid pony, but I definitely love a high pony. And I think just to finish it off, I'm going to add a little bit of dry shampoo just to the root, well not the top bit, just because it's a little bit shinier than my hair. And you've probably seen me do this with some of my other synthetic hair, and I feel like it just makes it look a little bit more natural as well. Yeah, this is how I prefer it anyway. And then just to finish off, we'll add a little bit of serum just to the ends. And yeah, it is looking good. I feel like if I really wanted to be extra, I could curl like a few of these strands with my curler. I guess just from where they've been in the packaging, they've just flattened a little bit, but I feel like it looks good anyway. But yeah, what do you think? So it is super long, which I love. And yeah, it looks really, really natural. It is honestly so lightweight. That is the thing that I cannot believe about this ponytail. I could literally keep this in all day. And yeah, I think that I love this. Like, obviously slightly wearing when I picked it up, I was like, what the hell is even in here? But look at how much hair I've got now. So if you're interested in any of my other styling videos, go and check them out. I will link them down below. Thank you again for watching, and this is probably one of my new favourite ponies, and I'm so excited to wear this out. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you again very soon.